Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now guys, congratulations seems to be the natural place to start off this video, as guys, I am pleased to announce to you that Omoyele Sowore has indeed now been released from the custody of the Buhari cabal, from the gulag of the DSS, etc. So with that guys, I bring you this. SSS release Sowore pays 100,000 naira fine. So that's the headline. SSS release Sowore pays 100,000 naira fine. So now this is now fast breaking news, and I'm just bringing it to you as the story breaks. So I'll bring it to you now, and of course bring you subsequent videos that details it a bit more. But let's get into it first. The State Security Service SSS on Thursday night released Omoyele Sowore, publisher of Sahara reporters. Mr. Sowore was arrested on August the 3rd for planning a series of protests to demand good governance. Mr. Sowore met his bail conditions on November the 6th, 1 month ago, but he was not released. A federal judge on Thursday morning gave 24 hours for Mr. Sowore to be released. Mr. Sowore's lawyer, Femi Falana, whilst confirming the development to reporters, said the SSS also paid 100,000 naira fine to Sowore as ordered by the court. So now this is now just the short caption of this story, which I shall of course bring you in copious and plentiful details over the course of the next few days. But breaking news, Sowore released from SSS custody and 100,000 naira paid in compensation. So now we wait for further developments, and congratulations to Sowore, by the way. I was of the view that this guy was not going to see Christmas with his family, and I expressed this fear in several videos. But alas, his mother's fasting and prayers and all the pastors that the mother has been gathering round have of course now come through for him, and this guy of course now will now spend Christmas with his family. So congratulations to him for that. So I am surprised by this, of course, given the antecedents of Malam Buhari, of course, who operates outside of the law. But alas, public opinion and public pressure and public sympathy especially, and international pressure too, was too heavy on this particular matter, because of course with Dasuki and El Zagzaki, etc., these are obscure, shadowy figures that nobody really cares about anyway. But Sowore is a human rights activist, and his battle is for good governance, and you cannot continue to detain him, because if you are detaining him and he's saying he's battling for good governance, then conversely, of course, then you stand for bad governance. But whatever, we shall discuss this in plentiful more details in subsequent videos. But breaking news, Omoyele Sowore released from the custodies, from the gulag of the DSS and Malam Buhari. They were going to transfer him to Kuje prison, was the last thing we heard. But alas, Justice Ijoma Ojukwu has forced them with a 24-hour ultimatum that you do this or you face the full wrath of my office. So well done to this Justice Ojukwu for this, but then of course F9 for her for the things she's done previously, so we're still after her for that one. But well done for this one to at least release this guy to spend Christmas with his family. So that's the story now, and of course videos to follow. But let's have chat about this in the comment section as we usually do. So click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray, bell button, that way you're notified every time I drop a new video. Then come, let's have a conversation around Omoyele Sowore being released, and what this portends and what this means. Let's have a conversation about all this in the comment section. So I'll leave you here, join you in the comment section, but here I say peace.